Hi everybody, and this is the result of where I threw 3 bags of soil on a very uneven ground, and you can see the result now. It's been almost 4 weeks, and it's all grown up and completely filled with grass. There are still a couple of patches, as you can see, dry one. Even they have small grass coming through them, but it will take time. But other than that, there is no soil. It's all buried under the grass, and so even the ground has actually flattened itself, and when we walk along, the ground is absolutely flat. And so that was a good way of having your ground flattened with a very simple way. All you have to do is throw 2-3 bags of soil and flatten them 2 inches or 3 inches above your grass, and in 2 months time the grass will grow again, probably above 20 inches. So you can see how much it has grown up, and I can't even see the ground itself. So I just had to show you the result of that procedure, and hope everyone can use the same technique to flatten the bumpy lawns and ground. Thank you very much, and hope this has helped everybody.